Hi, Sophia. I am opening, okay, so here's the spreadsheet I sent you. This is Los Angeles fiscal agent. This is the program year. And then over here are the object codes, 1000, 2000, and then here are the different projects. So LA Cloud has 10,000 in supplies and 32,000 in operating expenses, and then it just goes all the way over, and these are totals. So if you need anything else, please let me know right away so it doesn't delay the process of getting our spreadsheet. And this is, let me show you where it is. It's right here in the Strong Workforce Program under Margaret and Sophia. Right here, you just open it, and then when it opens, you just have to make sure to slide it over, and here's all your object codes.